Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This time we're going to clean up a little tubing cutter that I picked up at, I think I got it at the Habitat store. Might have picked it up at a yard sale, I don't remember. It's made by the Imperial Brass Manufacturing Company. It's a neat little cutter. I've not seen one exactly like this before, but I'm sure they're probably fairly common. But I'm hoping that it'll clean up nicely and be a nice little project for us. So let's get right into it. Here we go. Guys, I want to share something with you that I received in the mail today that I was not expecting. It's from Jesse at Jesse's Garage. Check this tool. And I want to show you what he sent me. Isn't that just awesome? These things are amazing. The letters are raised. Everything is just first class. I am totally blown away and impressed. And that's not all. He sent this one. Jesse's Garage, Bill, All-Star Museum contributor at Rollerball. The lettering is raised. And it's just a first-class deal. I'm quite blown away about having these. Jesse, thank you so much. It's very kind of you, very generous of you. So I suspect that most of you guys are familiar with Jesse at Check This Tool, but I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can check out his channel. It's really fun to watch. He does some of the most amazing tool hauls that I've ever seen. So, thanks again, Jesse. I really appreciate it. These are going to go in a place of honor. I think I'm going to put them. Let me get situated here, and I'll show you where I'm going to put them. All right. I'm going to put them right up there on top of the shelf on top of the display cabinets. And I'm going to have to figure out a little bit better, more secure mounting for them. But I believe that's where I'm going to put them. So Jesse, thank you very much, my friend. I really appreciate it. This is a Imperial Brass Manufacturing Company tubing cutter. I believe I got this at a yard sale or maybe the Habitat store. I don't remember for sure. Had it around here quite a while and I'm just now getting around to looking at it. Looks like this is the thing you can use to remount the inside of your tubing after you cut it. The cutter looks to be in good shape. I don't know if there's, I don't think a screw goes there. I think that's just the other side of this rivet here, or pin, or whatever it is. I don't know if that comes off or not. I just don't know. But I think this thing should clean up rather well, and I bet it works. So let's see what we can do with the little thing. See if we can make it pretty. All right, I'm going to have to study this thing a little bit to see if I can figure out how or if it comes apart. And there's one. There's another screw I could probably undo. Okay, let me work with this thing a little bit. After working with this thing a little bit and applying some PB Blaster liberally, it turns pretty good now. It is, I can't see a way that this knob comes off. I just can't figure it out, and I don't want to force it. It looks like it might be a press fit on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up a little bit. With a toothbrush and some LA Awesome. And then I'm going to give it a bath in the ultrasonic cleaner. Maybe that will reveal something that I'm missing. But if not, that's okay. We'll just deal with it the way it is, because I don't want to force things and wind up breaking it. So let's give it a once over. I wonder if there's a snap ring down there. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Next up, ultrasonic cleaner. I've tried various methods of cleaning this thing up after it came out of the bath. I've tried the little bristle discs and wire wheels, and I even tried some flits. I found the best way to clean this up is just plain old 4/0 steel wool and a little bit of elbow grease, because I'm not trying to get a mirror polish or anything. This is aluminum, or some kind of aluminum alloy. So I'm just doing this, and I think it's looking pretty good. I mean, hey, it's just a little tubing cutter. Not trying to make an art object or anything. So let's get it put back together and give it a test run. Oh, come on, Bill. It operates very smoothly now, so let's see if it'll cut. Here's an old aluminum arrow shaft. Let's see if it'll cut that. Now, let's see if I can get in frame here. Well, it definitely works. Nice. All right, let's try it on a piece of copper tubing. Makes a pretty nice cut. Here's the little Imperial Brass Manufacturing Company tubing cutter. Came out pretty nice. It works just fine. I have several tubing cutters. I don't have one this small though. So I thought this little guy needed some help. So I think he turned out pretty well. Imperial 127F tube cutter. Patent number 2120951. I think that's a 0. Could be a G. I think it's a 0. And this says 9-45. Could that be the year that it was made? I don't know. Anyway, I think it's kind of a neat little item. And I'm glad I got it, and I'm glad I fixed it up. So Hope you liked the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed the cleanup of that little Imperial brass manufacturing company tubing cutter. I think it cleaned up quite nicely, and it's a fun little project. So I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I like cleaning up little items like that. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.